Hello, this is Bail with Just One More Project, and today I'm going to talk about how you can take an SVG and cut it into separate pieces so that you can use it in a Glowforge Basic or a Glowforge Plus. Now, I have a lot of... Now, I have a lot of people always ask me, because they don't have a Glowforge Pro with that pass-through slot, how they can get their designs to be broken up in a few different pieces so that they can cut them all in separate pieces and then glue them together. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So, okay, let's just actually get rid of this. Okay, so I've got this text. It says summer, and this is the actual size of this text. Now, if I wanted to put this in my Glowforge, I could, because I could use my pass-through slot. Sorry, I could use my pass-through slot in my Glowforge Pro. But now, if you have a basic model or a plus model, you aren't able to do that. But you are able to cut the size of the Glowforge bed, which is this artboard right here, 19 by, I think it's 10.5 or 11 inches here. So let me show you how you can split this up into two pieces to use it in those Glowforge models. So what I'm going to do is, let's get this text ready. We're going to right click, create outlines, and now I've got this all broken up. I'm going to unite them so all of these pieces are together. So now this is one piece. So technically I could put this into my Glowforge and it would be ready to go. But I want to cut this so that we can put it in a Glowforge Basic or a Plus. So what I'm going to do is select the knife tool, which is right here. The knife tool is actually hidden under the menu of the eraser tools. So when you click on it, you'll see the eraser tool, the scissors tool, and the knife tool. We're going to use the knife tool. And this is super easy, y'all. So easy. It's like a no-brainer. Zoom in to the object that you want to cut down with the knife. Make sure that you have it selected using your selection tool. And go ahead and click outside of the object and just draw a line down. And when you do that, you'll see that I just created two different shapes. So now I'm going to ungroup them. Actually, hold on. There we go. So now they are two separate shapes. So I could put this on one board, and then I can put this on another one, and I can cut them both. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can get your lines or how you can get your cuts to be super duper straight. So I'm going to draw a circle over here. I've got my knife selected. And now if you're using a Mac, you can hold down Option. If you're using a PC, hold down Alt. So I have Option selected, and I'm drawing a line. And when I click Option, it is going to give me a straight line right here. Okay, so now I have the ability to draw that. There's a cut. There's another cut, and let's do one down the side like that. And there you go. And now you can see that these are all separate pieces that you can cut out on your laser. And they'll be much smaller, and they can fit in your Glowforge Basic or Plus model. So hopefully that tutorial was super helpful. If you guys want to see more from me, feel free to subscribe. I try to get tutorials out every week. If you guys have something that you would like some help with, feel free to shoot me a message or a comment below, and I'll do my best to try to make a tutorial on it. Again, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.